Chukwuemeka, why do you always use mouth to suck out fuel from the tank? You go swallow fuel o. It's very dangerous to the health o. Okay bros, come. Let me teach you how you can construct a simple liquid sucker that can help you to suck out liquid from any higher tank and prevent the method which you normally use by sucking liquid you don't know what is made of into your system that can cause a sickness. Please, let's go together and do it. You only need two materials to do this, which is a candrink and a host. So we are done now. What you do next is to put the other end of the hose in the tank. For the sake of this, we are going to use bath as the tank. Then close the other end, press the can to suck it out. Then leave it, it will start to pour out. So pressing the can is just a process of sucking it like you normally use mouth to do. This is how it works. This process will suck out everything in the container. Look at it now. If I press it, it will suck everything out. Nothing will remain because of some air contained in the container. So use this particular method. It is very effective and it will suck out everything in the container. You will see it here now. It is very effective, tested and trusted. So the next thing I want to show you now is how you can suck it into a container without bypassing the liquid. So this particular method, you need to tighten the container, then you press it. After it is coming out, then you lose it, it will start to flow. So this is the particular method for this one. Hope it helps. Peace and love.